So this is round 4 of our KC Summer Challenge. We're here at the soccer lot.
All right, we gotta make sure that you can't see anything. Go forward, you're right there. We were at Grinders last week. I won overall, Toby came in second. But as you guys remember, Toby ended up losing hard.
Oh God.
Oh! Toby's dying.
Got a sock.
I got duct tape.
So we are here at our favorite soccer place in the city, the soccer lot right off I-35. Awesome indoor facility. And we're gonna do a little soccer challenge. The key here is we are paired up into teams. I got my boy, Alex, White Leg Lightning. We're going to be doing a little bit of blindfolded soccer. So we're gonna have each member of each team be blindfolded and play for 5 minutes against the other team while the other people have to direct them. So this may get a little messy. First to 3, or we're gonna do 2 5-minute periods where we swap out each team. And the loser, basically we're gonna line them up against the wall and we're gonna shoot the ball as hard as we can and hopefully hit them in the butt. All right, we gotta make sure that you can't see anything.
Or something like that.
Go ahead, go ahead.
All right. On your marks, get set, go.
Alex, go.
Go. Forward.
Hey,
Keep going. Coming forward.
Turn around. Backwards. Turn
No,
Stop,
don't listen to me. No, kick it. Kevin, kick it. You lost. That's right there, good. Run, boys. Kick it. Run, Kevin. 3 seconds. Go. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now forward. No, kick it. Kick it. Yes.
Yeah, wait. Oh, this is, you guys are terrible.
Turn around, Kevin.
Alex,
It's right there. The ball's right there. It's right there. No! Killing you. Oh, he's killing you, Kevin. Ben, you got to bend forward. The ball's not even close to you, Kevin. Forward. Kevin, no, Kevin, the other way. The other way, Kevin. Kevin, you got to turn left. Kevin, turn left. Now go forward. Yes, that's where you want to go. Forward.
That's 2.
You're close. Straight. Toby.
Go forward.
Take it.
Go forward. You're right there.
No, wrong way.
Go.
All right, he's got the ball. Go straight.
No, now.
Straight, right there.
Between
right
the,
there,
yeah, okay, to your right.
Run towards Jake. Push him down. Turn around.
A little to your right.
Out straight. Okay, keep going. You keep going straight forward. Now kick it in the goal. It's right in front of you. Turn right in front of you. Just kick it in. Wrong way. He's about to shoot. Wait, Toby, stand there. Contest it. Go straight. Alex finally won something.
So we won because I'm good at blindfolded soccer.
Alex is the MVP. Alex scored 2 goals.
MVP.
MVP right here. All right, guys. Alex, it's time for the punishment. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm
Okay,
ready.
we're lining them up. We're about to kick balls super hard in defense. You ready?
I hope I don't miss.
All right, let's go. So that was it. We just kicked some butt in some blindfolded soccer. It was super fun, super scary. So we got to do our butts up challenge. Toby took it like a man. Kevin got lucky and didn't get hit. So that was surprisingly tough. But check out the soccer lot. Awesome place to play soccer. Thanks, Ian, for having us. We'll see you guys next week for a secret challenge. Bye.